Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I am Steve. I'll be going to take you through networking where of CCNA. Now this is my channel and I hope you guys will start by subscribing by now. Now this is my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Steve. I'm going to through networking. Then will be the first networking tool we are going to use is about Cisco Packet Tracer. So we have Cisco Packet Tracer somewhere over here. Now this is called Cisco Packet Tracer. So we have Packet Tracer over here. So I've opened mine over here. So when you look at down here, you have so many connections that in networking you have so many connections that you have router and end user services devices such as routers. Yes, you have routers, you have switches, yes, you have hubs, wireless, anything, security, firmware, even firewall we have. So first of all, we let's say in this example we have uh, this kind of router. Let's say you have this router and you want to configure it. I've placed my router there. Let's say this router is from an ISP, service provider. Then ISP connects to this to the switch, which is 25, 29, 50, that has 24 ports. Let's say this is from like a company. That's this is for HR. HR. Then yes, you have the end user devices such as you have a PC here. That's a PC1, PC2, and PC3. So this one you can call it comp1. This one can call it comp2. This one can call it ICT2. This one can call it IC3. What can call it? Let's just say HR3. Yeah. Then this side you have another switch, network device, which is a switch here. You have another switch here. So this switch comes here, you have another switch. In this switch you have another PC from here, and another one from here, and another one from here. And then after that you should connect using this is called copper straight through. It's called copper straight through. Yeah, when having copper straight through. Sorry guys, I forgot something. Let me show you. That is the setup. Sorry for the inconvenient, but that's the setup that I was preparing. So we have connect everything. Now let's go to this copper straight through connection. Copper straight through is like the internet cable that connects very different PC to the internet through a hub from the endpoint A to point B through the hub or the switch. Nowadays you use the switch. Now you have copper straight through. Then you connect from the router on the first internet.0. then we go paste it on here. There first internet 0 on one switch. The same we do on the router from this one, passing the 01 to the switch. After I complete that, we will connect everything from switch. This the second part is first internet 02 to the second part. Then the same process you connect from here to here. The same process connect from here to here. The same process do this here. Now this we are creating a logical topology, or a physical one, which is a part of the networking class. And the second one is this one from here to here. Now that is a simple network, but we need to configure everything in order to work. And first of all, we go to the PC and set an IP address. Now this is a desktop. Let's zoom it. And these are models, different types of the models. When you look at this one, this is the oldest version of the PC. Let's go to desktop, then you go to IP configuration where we set an IP manually, but you can set from DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, whereby it requests some IP address on the DNS server that on the routing table that sets the IP address when it functions like a phone, whereby when you connect through a Wi-Fi on the phone, when you connect through the Wi-Fi on the phone, it automatically sends a request to the server. Where through the routing table, the router gives this type of one an IP address, whereby you can connect automatically to the internet. So this is called this type. For example, I have this IP called 192.168.2.100, and supremax is 255.255.255.0. So this is for computer 1, and let's set default gateway to be 192.168.1.100. This is default gateway. It's for computer 1. So we have IP address. This function is 192.168.168.2.100. Let's call IP for this function. And then we have gateway. Gateway for this computer is 192.168.1.100. Now this is the default gateway of this. I go to this computer, then replace it again. Now look at this. We have already a gateway that is already set. Then you have an IP address set. Okay. Let's go to this other computer because it doesn't have any IP address or nothing. Yep. So you can set even if it's working through simulation, whereby so the message are going, but you haven't completed our work. So we need time and space. So we have this IP address and this gateway whereby acts as a gate in the network environment. Wait, I'm coming back in a minute. I have a technical challenge or issue over here. Now I'm back again to the router where we have this setup in the network environment. So when you see about this, this is a router. We have different types of router. We have microchip router whereby every client is divided into segments whereby uh, if one has each all timestamp. Like a microchip router, there's a different types of microchip router, and it has a different limits of usage. And for example, the smallest router is RP089 that has a maximum of 50 users. Yeah, that's maximum of 50 users. Now this is a router. Then you should go back and config and then say no. If I enter, say enable, then configure or config minor and config terminal should enter this interface is F0 set IP address 192.168 1068.1.1.100 and supplement is 255.255.255.0. Press enter, then you go to this interface, F01, enter the IP address 192.168.3.100. Press enter. Wait and finish. IP address 192.168.3.100. Subnet is 2 255.255.255.0. Please enter. Then say no shutdown, no shutdown. Then press enter. See, the first one is active. This router is active, but I don't know what's happened to the other one. You go and check the connection through ping of connection through command prompt. See that ping 192.168.2.100. Check for the connectivity of the network, and that's it. It's connected successfully. There's no packet lost. It's connected. Now this is the default gateway on the network that enables one document to move from point A to point B to reach its destination to this IP address. Yes, the first part of the switch is active. Now this is called. Let's see the second part whereby DB missed. Good. It's connected. But the other part is not connected. Why is not working? This is a sort issue that we should configure. This whereby engineers always faces network. Let's cancel it. No. The cable connection, then if you connect, make it good. Cover straight through. Passing then 0, 2, 0, 1. Let me see if it work. Not working. Interface F0/1 IP is 192.168.2.100. 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Let me see if it's working. It's working. Working. Let me see if it's working. Working. See is it working? Working. Not. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Another That's the end of the networking class today, but in coming next class I'll be configuring the VLAN. Now we have learned how to set up and configure a router through using an IP address, but in networking environment we have different methods or various ways of connecting anything. Yeah, that's me, and have a nice day, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Yeah, follow the link up there that I've already uploaded. For the link up there that I've already uploaded. Goodbye and have a nice day. I'm my city director.